You are listening to AI with Shaylee, your go to source for the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence. I'm your host, Shailendra Kumar, here to unpack some hot button news that's lighting up social media, quite literally. Today, we're diving into AI's soaring energy appetite and what it means for our planet, our wallets, and the future of tech. Imagine this: AI's energy consumption is ramping up so quickly, it's expected to gulp down nearly 40% of the world's data center electricity by the end of 2025. To put that in perspective, data centers powering AI now use twice as much energy as Bitcoin mining. And that's not a small number. We're talking about 415 terawatt hours annually for AI compared to Bitcoin's estimated 173 to 228 terawatt hours this year. And here's the kicker: only about 42% of that AI energy comes from clean sources. Yikes! That means a hefty carbon footprint largely propped up by fossil fuels. I recall back in my early AI days, we were thrilled simply to get models running on local machines. Now, large scale AI models are gobbling up hardware resources like HBM and the next gen GDDR7 memory chips, projected to consume 20% of global DRAM wafer capacity by 2026. The scale is mind blowing, a double edged sword where innovation pushes energy needs and in turn costs us more on our electricity bills. In the US, commercial electricity demand jumped 2% in early 2025, much of that driven by data center growth. Experts warn peak demand could add the equivalent energy use of 15 New York cities by 2030. That's like trying to power a small country overnight, pressing grids to their limits and reviving coal plants in some cases. On a more local note, Georgia is taking steps to protect household bills amid these surges, and California's PG&E is deploying AI for precision fire detection, cutting ignitions by 65%. Talk about AI pulling double duty, both straining and saving our electricity systems. Even Ireland, with a smaller population, faces a similar conundrum where data centers now consume over 20% of its electricity. The result? Bill hikes felt at kitchen tables everywhere. But here's the silver lining: not all AI energy use spells doom. Utilities are turning AI into their secret weapon for grid balancing. From predicting equipment failures before they happen, to flexibly adjusting power demand and tapping backup generators during peak times, AI is helping to avoid massive new power plants. It's a bit like giving the very system that strains our energy grids the tools to keep them resilient. So, here's my question for you to ponder: can AI truly be the guardian of our energy future, even as it pushes consumption to new heights? What's your take on this balancing act of innovation and sustainability? Before we close, here's a bonus tip. If you're coding or training AI models at home or work, be mindful of batch sizes and iteration speed. Sometimes smaller, smarter runs can slash energy waste without sacrificing performance. As the visionary Elon Musk once said, we have to figure out how to have the things we love and not destroy the world. That's all for today's energy packed update on AI. Stay connected with me, Shailendra Kumar, on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Medium, where I share weekly insights and invite you to join the conversation. If you found this enlightening, don't forget to subscribe for more AI news and drop your thoughts in the comments. After all, AI's future is a story we're writing together. Until next time, keep your curiosity charged and your ideas sparking.